Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. It's Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use AI to make music. So what it means is that you can actually record your song using AI. So I'm going to show you that in a jiffy. But before that, if it's the first time of you watching, please subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload new content, you'll be the very first to know. Now, if you have your system set up and ready to roll, remember this: when you grow, we grow. Let's get started.
Okay guys, find your way to voice mode, voicemode.net. This is the landing page. Just go to text to song, click on it, and it takes you to this particular place. So go to generate song free. You can actually do this without having to subscribe. So when you click on generate songs free, it takes you here. There are actually 4 stages. The first one is the song. Pick a song and you select the singer and you type in the lyrics, then you can share. So this is the song. This is the first stage. We are going to pick a song. So you can, the first one is dark trap. You can test it by playing to listen to it. If you are okay with the sound and the beat, you can select that one. This one is laser beam. You can play to listen to it. This one is pop stay with me. You can play or check out what works for you. For this demonstration, we take dark trap. So we'll click next when you select your song. So stage 2 now, step 2. These are the singers. It's actually AI generated voices of different people. The first one, it has a voice, pop voice with a warm and soothing tone. So once you select, you click on it. The next one is your lyrics. So you go to ChatGPT. I'm going to type in a prompt and ChatGPT will generate the lyrics for me. So I'll just copy the very first verse like that, and once I copy the verse, I go back to voice mode and then paste it right here. Then I'll do a few adjustments, and then once I'm okay, I will edit the song name, the song title. In this case, I'm calling it Bad Politicians, and the artist's name. So you can input the artist name here. Once you're done, just click on create song. So in a matter of seconds, the song will be created like that. So it will take you here. So you can see the song right here. If you scroll down, you see the title of the song and the artist. You can actually edit the lyrics here or do another song. So you can actually see there's a graphic to this song. So you can do voice and music, that's with the beat, or only the voice. In this case, you will get the song and the beats. You can decide to share it with your community by using this tab or downloading it. So in this case, we are going to download it. So click on video or song. We do the video. So once you click on any of your selections, it downloads it. So in this case, once I click on it, so guys, that is exactly how it works. Thanks for watching, and I hope you experiment with this, and see you in the next video. Bye.